Guys, this is awful. I'm setting up my space for today's pour, and because of the way the sun is like shining in here, I'm kind of like tucked under my pouring table, and there's still a shadow, but whatever. But anyway, yesterday's pouring was kind of like behind me, and I just realized like, oh, I should probably, shimmy it over just to make sure that it's not in the way. And I put my hands in it and I was like, oh no, I got some paint on my hands. But oh my god, guys, my pants actually bumped into it and I like smeared the crap out of it. And you'll probably see this footage twice, but man, am I irritated. So anyway, gonna try to do another galaxy pour kind of like this, but on a slightly smaller canvas. And let's get started.